everybody, we are back.
Hi, I'm Paula.
I'm Cecilly.
I'm a Taurus.
Okay, and I'm an Aquarius.
Welcome to This Made Up Life.
What are we doing today?
So this week we took a trip to Target.
Whoop! 2 hands in the air for Target.
And I gotta say, usually when I go to Target, I just pick stuff off the rack and take it home. But we actually went into the fitting room.
We'll send you some pics.
We'll send some pics. And tried stuff on because we wanted to make sure we had sizes we liked. But I feel like Target is really kind of my go-to sometimes to grab something, mostly because we
go to Target a lot.
We go to Target a lot. And I love their clothing line. They've done such an amazing job of
having many different brands within Target.
And then also having styles that are current, on trend, and don't feel like a discount store clothing, right?
Yeah, great. It's great.
So,
what do we have?
What do we have? All right, so culottes are a big thing right now.
Yes, they are.
They might not be called culottes. Sometimes they're called cropped pants. Sometimes it's like a little bit of a kick flare, which means it's a little wider at the ankle.
Those are cute.
But they're all over the place. So we thought, okay, let's show you how we would wear some culottes.
Mm-hmm.
You guys, this pair from Wild Fable at Target right now was on clearance for $6.50. I mean, for $6.50, come on.
Yeah, geez. Woo.
So they are a great polyester rayon spandex blend. The knit itself is really, really, it's kind of thick. So they feel great. They're really comfortable. Just an elastic waistband. I'm wearing a size medium. And I love how they fit. I like that I feel like I could just go do whatever. You know, it's not like they're super tight like jeans. They're just really comfortable. And I kind of dressed it up a little bit by putting this jacket on over a black tee.
That looks great.
And these cute shoes with the wood heel.
Great for summer.
Really fun for summer. This is just a great look. I love this. And if I was up on the mountain, because, you know, I live up on a mountain. And so a lot of times I can't wear shoes like this to, you know,
get out of a mountain.
But so I would throw it on with some runners too. And I would still feel really, really put together.
That's great. I also like the vertical stripe that helps like elongate your look.
Yeah, and I think, we debated a little bit because oftentimes the jacket on this has got to be long enough that it breaks up proportionally. Mm-hmm. So, this was really fun. Yeah. And what did you find?
So I have this groovy skirt. I'm so into it. It's a semicircle. It is a linen, what is it? A linen rayon blend.
Rayon blend.
It's very comfortable. I'm wearing it a little bit more high-waisted. It's a size 10. It was $30. And I'm just absolutely loving it. It has pockets. Hello. And yeah, I'm just really into it. I didn't think I would be because I'm not a big fan of this type of skirt. But I think this is actually really working.
Well, and I think, again, I mean, I hate to keep coming back to saying the term on trend, but we're seeing this shape skirt all over the place.
So
it's not just an A-line. It's a little more than an A-line. Yeah. So it's like a 3/4 circle.
Yeah.
And it just gives you a lot more flow around the hem. It's really flattering.
Yeah. And then I put it with this shirt, and I don't know if you noticed, it's the same print. But one thing I like about skirts and shirts, especially in the same print, is that it looks like a dress.
Yeah.
You get that dress feel without being constricted in a dress. So it works for lots of people, tall, short, longer waisted. It's just like all around a really good look.
Well, the nice thing about doing separates to look like a dress is you can do a different size on the top and bottom too.
Yes.
Which for so many reasons, this kind of a coordinated set looks great.
Yeah.
I love it. I love the flounce on the sleeve here. Yeah. It's not like a full ruffle, but it's just this cute double flounce. Really fun, really
summery. It's really lightweight to wear. It's easy to clean. I washed it on cold and hung dry it, and it came out perfect again. So
Yeah, so I think that's a great look.
Yeah.
And I love the
And then I did a pop of color.
Signature Cecilly pop of color.
You gotta love it.
I do. I love it. Those earrings are fantastic. And I love the way, so I don't know if you noticed this, but she's got all these dots everywhere, which that's a lot of circles. So her earrings are very, very vertical.
Mm-hmm.
And so it just kind of breaks up all these dots, and it gives you this pop of color, but it also gives you some vertical to bring the eye back up to your face.
Great.
I love it. All right, we're going to switch. She's going to try the culottes.
And she's going to try my skirt.
Woo!
See you in a bit. All right, we're back.
Yep, and we switched things up.
This is so cute.
I freaking love this skirt. I love the length works really well for me, right about halfway between my knee and my ankle. And I also love the sweep on this. It's gentle curves. There's no gathers or anything right here, so it's really flattering. It's kind of flat here and then goes out. It's a great style. It's a style that we're seeing
everywhere,
all over the place. And so it's a fun one. And I love the dots.
Yeah, that big polka dot is too cute.
Yeah, it's really, really fun. It's comfortable. We went with a size 10. We could have gone 8, but I wanted it to have enough comfort around the waist that I didn't feel like it was really, really tight.
Yeah, restricting.
Because that way, I just feel like it's a lot more flattering that way on me anyway.
Yeah.
And this top
is great.
So great. This is also from Target. It's Who What Wear. It's got these cute little puff sleeves, 100% cotton. It's like a Swiss dot or a clip dot. Really, really cute.
Yeah, that is adorable.
And then the body of the tee is, it's like jersey, and it's cotton modal without the spandex. Nice. So it's really lightweight.
It's very soft.
It's got this cute little button placket in the front. It's just a really fun little shirt that could translate to all kinds of stuff. It was $22.99, I think, something like that. So I paid full price for it because I liked it so much.
Yeah, it's worth it.
Yeah, it's really great. I went with these Diorce flats that have this cute little pearl detail on the little clasp. Oh, cool. And then I did a little pearl earring. So just kind of echoed the dots again. And yeah, it's really fun. I love this.
Yeah, you look fabulous.
And I usually don't love skirts. I'm not a skirt person. So
too bad.
This is awesome. Yeah, Cecily's way into them.
I like skirts. Anyway, but now I'm wearing culottes. And these are actually fabulous. I did not realize how great they were going to be. They're very comfortable. They're very soft. And I feel like I could wear them with sneakers, like running around errands. Or like I did today, I put them with heels to like dress them up a little bit. And then I added this graphic tee. I like that the print is a little more simple, so I could add the graphic tee and it didn't look too crazy.
Yeah, I mean, let's be honest, you weren't really loving these.
No, I was not excited about doing the culottes. I was like, all right, I guess we'll do the culottes.
And I'm like, come on, they're $6.50. We're getting them. Because I know I'll wear them. And I think they look darling on you.
Yeah, they're really working.
We might have to fight over them a little bit.
Oh, dear.
I see this coming.
So, yeah,
I think a couple of great looks. These pieces are available right now in store. Your cute graphic tee is from Zara.
About a month ago.
Which I love the look there.
Yeah.
So we want to see how you style some stuff. So if you pick up some of these pieces, please take a selfie and hashtag I've made this up. And don't forget to tag us so we see it. And we love doing this. If you like the video, be sure to like it.
Follow us.
Share.
And subscribe.
We'll be back.
Thanks, everybody. See ya.